Meaning of forest park.
Forest park.
Forest park.
Forest park.
Forest park. A forest park is a type of public park that promotes the conservation and sustainable management of forests, natural habitats, and plant species. It is a protected area that provides recreational opportunities for visitors, including hiking, camping, and wildlife observation. Forest parks also play an important role in educating the public about environmental issues and promoting awareness of conservation efforts. Overall, forest parks serve as crucial sites for maintaining biodiversity and preserving ecosystem services, while also providing valuable opportunities for human recreation and education.